Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to link your Exness demo trading account to MetaTrader 5 Mount 5. If you're just getting started and want to practice trading without risking real money, this is the perfect setup, so let's get into it. First, let's create a demo account on Exness. Open your browser and go to the Exness official website. On the home page, click Try Free Demo. You'll see a simple registration form. Enter your country, your email address, and create your password. Make sure the password meets the requirements. Then click Continue. As soon as you finish that, Exness will automatically open their web trader platform for you. A pop-up will appear. Just select Demo Account. And boom, you're already inside your demo trading account. You could start demo trading right here if you wanted to, but we want to link it to Mount 5. So now we need to grab your demo login details, go back to the Exness homepage and click Sign In the top right corner. Enter the same email and password you just registered with. Once you're inside your personal area, tap the Demo tab under My Accounts. You'll see your demo account listed there. Click the Trade button next to your demo account, then select MetaTrader 5. Here, Exness will show you the 3 key pieces of information you need: your Mount 5 login number, your server name, your trading password. Write these down or copy them. You'll need them in 1 minute. Now open MetaTrader 5, either the desktop app or the mobile app. On desktop, go to File and then click Login to Trade Account. On the mobile app, tap the menu button, then Manage Accounts, and select Add Account. In the search bar, type the server name exactly as Exness gave it to you. For example, Exness MT5 Real or Exness MT5 Trial. Make sure you choose the right one. Choosing the wrong server is the #1 reason the login fails. Now enter your login number and your trading password. Tap Sign In, and that's it. Your Exness demo account is now connected to MetaTrader 5. You should now see your demo balance and be able to place practice and trades just like a real account, but without risking real money. If you want to change your demo balance or leverage, just go back to your Exness personal area. Click Set Balance to add or remove funds, or tap the menu to change max leverage. Super convenient. And there you go. You're now fully set up and ready to learn how to trade safely. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a video on how to place your first trade on Mount 5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.